Hello, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. You know what day it is. Yep, it's Tablescape Tuesday with the hosts Anna at Grace Life DIY Decor and Lifestyle and Amethyst Adventure. This is my simple Valentine's Day romantic dinner for two for just a nice cold Valentine's Day in at home. We'll probably have just a romantic supper to celebrate Valentine's Day, the two of us. And since it's always cold and snowy in Ohio, I added the red soup bowl because we love our soup in the cold winter months in Ohio, and also our coffee and our hot chocolate. So I added a cup with the letter S for our initials. And I just did a simple white plate and silver charger plate and our red and black buffalo plaid. You know I love Farmhouse and I love a little rustic in my farmhouse. So I added that with some more decorative touches. Here's our centerpiece. The cups came from Big Lots. This was a thrift store find. The plate was Dollar Tree, the charger plate Dollar Tree, and the bowl was also Dollar Tree. And I found this cute little Hugs and Kisses Hershey's cookie jar at the thrift store, and I thought that would be perfect for a romantic Valentine's Day dinner at home. And then I added this flower pot that has pink and white hearts in red and a little angel teddy bear with a little simple vase of flowers, just an anemone and garden roses, and of course a few red roses to do the pink and white theme. The pink, red, and white and black theme of my tablescape. I went simple because we like things simple out here in the country. Nothing fancy here out in the middle of nowhere in Ohio. But it'll be nice for a nice dinner that we like to cook from home. Just simple for the two of us. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I do have a one-tier tray under the centerpiece. That was a whole $2 at the thrift store, but I thought it would make things just a little bit more formal and elegant and a nice contrast to the rustic elements of this tablescape. But this is our Valentine's Day at home for me and my husband. I'm going to start off with my centerpiece because you know that's my favorite. My centerpiece is not all red roses this year because I wanted something different. You know, yes, Valentine's Day is known for the beautiful bouquets of red roses. But I'm in Ohio and I like color this time of year. So I chose to go with white and pink anemones and a peachy pink garden rose. And yes, I did add a few. There's actually 3 red roses in this arrangement. So it is Valentine's Day, but it's more of a mixed bouquet. And that's what I enjoy, is a mixed bouquet in the wintertime in Ohio. And then I added to our tray I don't know whether it's a cookie dish or a Hershey candy dish that says Hugs and Kisses. I thought that was awful cute. And then I found this garden pot that has hearts on it in red. So I added that too with a little angel. And then I added my 2 candles on each side. It's a very simple centerpiece, romantic dinner for two. I don't need fancy, but cute is fun this time of year.